Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Dental Minibytes, Basics to Mastery about all dentistry related educational videos. So we'll move on to the topic today, that is center of resistance. In orthodontics, center of resistance, it is a point, a midpoint where all the mass is centered. That is, for example, consider a free space in an object in a free space. So for this object, this is the center point. So this point where all the mass of the object is concentrated in this center point only. So when a force is applied to this center point, the body will translate. That is, there will be bodily movement of the object. So this is related to orthodontics because the center of resistance is present along the root surface, and it is the tooth is restrained within the periodontal ligament. So in orthodontics, the center of resistance, it is a point, that is center point, which has to pass through so that the object can freely move in a bodily motion, that is in a linear motion. So because of the periodontal support, here the periodontal support, the tissue does not move freely. So the force should be concentrated only at this point so that we can move the teeth bodily and not due to tipping movement. That is, if the force is not passed through the center of resistance, then there will be rotation of the teeth. So orthodontic should aim at passing the force through the center of resistance, and this can be achieved with the help of power arms and so and so things. Then the center of resistance of the tooth depends on several factors. One is the length and morphology of the root. So the length of the root is, if the this is the original normal teeth, and here the length of the root is normal, so the center of resistance is concentrated between the cervical and middle third of the root. But here, due to the alveolar bone loss, the length of the root is the same, but the bone loss, bone level is different, right? So here the center of resistance will shift little apically towards the center. So from here it is shifted to here. So it also varies according to the number of roots. That is, for a single rooted teeth, the center of resistance is present between the cervical and middle third of the root, and for multi-rooted teeth like molars, it is present at the furcation area. So this is about the center of resistance of the tooth, friends. And the orthodontic force mainly should aim to pass through the center of resistance with the help of auxiliaries such as power arms and e-chains like that. So this is it for friends. We'll see in next video.